What's going up, everybody? Hope everybody's having a awesome day today. So we're going to be talking about why I choose stocks in between $3 and $6. So this got brought up in one of my comments. So I just wanted to address it and pretty much tell you guys why I do it. All right. So here we have Apple pulled up. I'm not sure if you can see my cursor or not, but anyways, so Apple's pulled up here on the chart. We're on the 1 minute time frame on the daily here, and just by looking at this chart just like this, you might think that, oh wow, there are some good opportunities to make money. And the answer is yes. If you had a $1 million account, you could have definitely cashed in today with Apple, just because they offered some very, very good setups. Multiple, support bounces, resistant breakouts, stuff like that. But do you have $1 million in your trading account or to begin trading with? And the answer is no. Most of you guys don't have that type of capital yet. So really, to make money, if let's say I had $1,000, so let's just pull it up here. $1,000 and each share is 170. So let's go 1,000 divided by 170. You could buy roughly 5 shares. Okay, little over 5.8, but that's just round down just because it's around $71. All right. So you buy 5 shares, this stock, and you have $1,000 account. So this stock moves. Let's go on the drawing tools. This stock, you nail it. You buy the high and you buy the peak low. That's around 1%. So right there, you just made $10, and that was the largest spread, the entire day on this stock here. So large cap stocks, stay away from. Let's pull up ABIL today. This one had good opportunity, I believe. ABIL, nope, not ABIL. Must have been another one here. ADIL, that's what it was. ADIL. ADIL. All right, let's pull that up. Perfect. All right, so if you had $1,000 in your account here, just by doing the resistant breakout, that strategy I use, let's see what we could have done. We have $1,000 in our account. Let's see what we can do. So I buy as it breaks out of resistance. So from here all the way up here, so from 290 or from 281 all the way, first pullback, so $3, let's say. All right, let's pull up this drawing tool. All right, so 281, breaking out of resistance, first pullback. That's around 6%. So if you would have had $1,000, you would have made $60 just on this stock if you'd have went all in. Many people think these stocks are too volatile and they're too risky actually to trade. But looking at this stock here, guys, what do you guys see? I see uses this 20 moving average line, or this 90, excuse me, as a pretty hard support. If I would have judged this, I would have saw it tapped here once, got bought back up, tap here again. I could have went long actually right here, just by judging this support. It's very, very easy just by looking at it like this. But so as you become more familiar with stocks, you will understand and you will develop a strategy that works for you. This $3 to $6, it works very, very well for me. I find more stock opportunities than I do by looking at large cap stocks, than I do looking at stocks above $6. Yes, I still will trade over $6, but my cutoff is pretty much probably around 16. Once it passes $16, I try to stay away from it just because I really can't capitalize on share size, and often the spreads aren't that very large. So, and those stocks will not have 104% moves like ADIL did today. And really, my stock bot in the group chat called this stock out at 10:30. So right here. Right here, you guys can look on this time frame. Excuse me. But so if you want to be a part of that, I'll put that in the description for you guys. So that's it though. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please sure to like, subscribe, comment if you are new. And remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week. Take care.